Hey, are you wasting this particular small detail running Performance Max? All right, so this is Roel from eCom-Ads, and I am here to tell you one little sneaky secret that Google has in favor of you that can improve your account performance drastically. It is overseen because it's kind of a hidden feature, and it is the automated placements that are being targeted through your Performance Max campaigns. What happens is when Performance Max campaigns run, they are looking across the Google network. Everything they can place your ads on that they think is relevant is gonna work for them. It's gonna be placed and gonna spend your money on. All right, it might not be happening every day. It could happen on a weekly basis that you'll see, hey, a nice peak in impressions. And like, where do these impressions come from? Well, most of the time, those are websites that are simply not relevant or tests by Google. But if this is a consistent problem, if you look back in your hopefully implemented My Growth script that gives you those insights on whether your ads have been shown on shopping, search, or display, or YouTube, and you'll see a peak in display, this is for you. Go and check the automated placement reports. This can be found by the reports, predefined reports. Go to Other and click Performance Max campaign placements. If you go in there, you will see that where your ads have been shown, and then you can start excluding them on the campaign level. Okay, you can easily go and click on a campaign level and exclude those placements across the account. All right, that's the tip right there. If you think this has been helpful, go and comment below and click the subscribe button if you want more videos like this.